think about the person that you are in a relationship with? Are those thoughts serving you or are they harming your relationship? There are a lot of things that occur during the duration, and we form these beliefs and opinions and understandings about the other person's character and our interpretation of who they are as a person. What if I told you that the person you think you know best, you actually know very little about? You see, as individuals, it's really hard for us to actually see something as it truly is because we attach a lot of meaning to the way that a person interacted with us, how they said something, what they did, what they looked like, how they rolled their eyes, or something else like that. Everything matters to us, and we attach meaning to it. And that meaning that we attach is what sticks with us. And once we start mistaking our own personal beliefs as the other person, we're unable to see them for their true character. And a lot of times, the negative things that you observe in a person are going to be a lot stronger than the positive things, especially if your mind is trained to spot out things that could go wrong and things that are going wrong. Don't feel bad if this is you, because most people are programmed to be that way in order to survive, in order to save themselves from danger. We observe the negative things more often than the positive. And I believe there's a study that says there needs to be 10 positive interactions. One negative interaction is equivalent to those 10 positive. However, if you're in a relationship with somebody, this can become really toxic if you are together for a long time, because all of those things that we have gathered throughout the years that we remember more vividly than the good things are going to come up every single time that person triggers us or triggers a part of us that is still hanging on to that fear. So, how do you change this so that you can have the best possible relationship with your partner? Well, it's simple. You need to choose to shift the beliefs that you have about that person and either be able to explain things in a way that humanizes your partner, or you need to be able to attach a new meaning to their behavior or that specific moment. Of course, I'm not talking about extreme personality disorders that are very toxic to any person, but I am talking to a very large portion of humans that have the chance to either have a wonderful relationship or call it quits. And the truth is, it's a lot easier to give up and assume that you're going to find something better in the next relationship. But people are programmed to find another relationship that reminds them of the one that they just left because it's something that we are used to and comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, follow me for more videos like this.